We just got a package. Just got a package. We just got a package. We just got a package. I wonder what's inside. Oh wow. A Little Einstein's Blues Clues DVD. Periwinkle's Big Surprise. Wow, this is one of the DVDs Noah made. And look, the 4 episodes in this DVD are Periwinkle's Big Surprise, My Birthday Episode, What is Rocket Afraid of, and Annie's New Dog. Wow, I can't wait to watch this DVD later on.
Oh no, this doesn't sound right.
Huh?
La la la, la la la.
Hey, Kipper just went right into that sound book. Ooh, Kipper skidoo. Here we come.
No, that's not right either.
Oh, hi there. Are you having some trouble?
Yes. Some of the things in the sound book are mixed up with the wrong noises they're supposed to make. And I could use some help in getting their sounds back.
Oh, well, we can help with that. Will you help too? Great. How do we know if we got the right sounds?
All we have to do is press these buttons. Each button makes a different sound, and come out through this speaker. If we press these buttons, we'll be able to find the right noise the things are supposed to make.
Alright then. Are you ready to help? Great.
Okay, here's the first thing we need to fix. Listen to the noise it makes.
Huh? Is that the sound a horse makes?
Nope.
No, that's not the sound a horse makes. That horse doesn't have the right sound. Alright, so let's find the right noise a horse makes.
Alright, listen carefully.
Okay. So which button had the right sound a horse makes?
The green button.
Oh yeah, the green button. The green button has the sound of what a horse sounds like. Now that's what a horse sounds like. Great listening.
Great, we got our first item fixed. Ready for the next one?
Yep. Ready to help again? Great.